Muikarigiti wa kamiti ya mahinya bunge-ini ya Senate Ephraim Maina ni urite ruhonge rwa Kenya Pipeline konyuki mubango wa gwikira mashini cia gukurana miberethi iria iturikite rini ya kuruta maguta Mombasa guka Nairobi.
The oil detection system, which was recently covered by the media, is a necessity. It is an essential in this country. It touches on the security of this country. It touches on the economic, the stability of this country and beyond in this region.
Mainoro ranagia uhidi ya guthurima mitafaniri ya maundu kabuni-ini ya maguta mwena wa Changamwe augite ni mekunyitana na kabuni no gutigira mashini ici ni ciekirwo ni ciarutithio wira.
We are losing quite a lot of fuel and we need to be able to understand why and make sure we are losing nothing.
Murugamiri munene wa kabuni ino mwena wa Changamwe Joshua Mutea augite miberethi ino gukura igiturika mahinda kwa mahinda ni icungagirira kabuni ino guthii hathara nene undu augite ni ufatie gutangikirwo. Gukiri uguo ni ugite mitaratara mirungireru ni ifatie guthingatithio mbere ya mashini ici gwikirwo ni gugutirira ni ciaruta wira hatari mihingoro yothe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.